it is. It's on the meal, guys. Whew. That's a heavy log right there. Red oak is something else. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna have to get this mill set up a little different around here. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. So, anyways, there it is. Got this big old red oak on there. That's it's just shy of 9 foot. It's like 8'9" or something. So, on a cut list, I'll just go ahead and show you guys in the book what it shows. See if I can find the page here. There it is. All right, so 4x5s. This is your quantity and your length. We need 2 of them 8 foot for a doorpost, 5 of them 8 foot. So everything else is like, you know, 12, 16, 12, 18, 10, 12, 10, 8 foot, 12 foot, 8 foot, 10 foot, 10 foot. Okay, so right here are 8 footers. We need 5 and 7. So 5 plus 2, 7. So we need 7 4x5s. I think I might have something in here to write with. Look at there, I got a crayon. Found me a crayon, guys. Okay, let's do this math on the trailer here. So, got 16, or no, let's do 20. Well, that thing just, hang on. Hey, shut up, please. Freaking chicken. She's kind of mouthy today. Hey, you want to say hi to YouTube? Where are you going? Red, where are you going? Well, she don't like the camera. You guys scared her off. All right, so we're looking for a 16 by 20. So we got our square here. 20 this way, 16 this way. We split that in half. Then you have 10 and 10 and 8 and 8. Then we'll cut that again in half again, like that. Same here, same here, same here. So this right here would be 4x5. Okay, hope you guys get that. So one 4x5, so it'd be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. That would give us 16 4x5s. If we can get a 16 by 20. Now you can look at this and say, okay, we have 1 2 3 3 kerfs here. The kerf is about 1/8 of an inch, let's say. So you can add 1/8, another 1/8. What is 2/8? What is that? A quarter, I think. Look at this here. 1/8, 2/8 is 1/4. All right. So you want a quarter plus an 1/8. What is that? 3/8. Okay, so we want to add 3/8 this way, and then we got 3 more cuts here, so 3/8 is what we want to add to it. So a 16, let's write this down here, 16 and 3/8 inch, all right, by a 20 and 3/8. Okay, that's the size of cant that I need. 16 and 3/8 by 20 and 3/8. If I can get that out of this log, then I will be able to get I'll be able to get 16 4x5s, which is more than what I need, but Let's take a look at the book again. I think there was something else that we need. We might be able to use 4x5s for... Really? Would you go away, Red? All right, so what was I talking about here? Okay, so these are our 4x5s, and we need 4x5, 8s, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we need 7 there, and then 7, 8, 9. We need 9 3x5s, which we could actually cut an inch off for our collars and our braces to make some 3x5s. But those need to be 10 foot long. So the braces could actually be cut from those. You just won't get 2 out of each one. Now that's what this right here is, your braces. They got a little asterisk here, or whatever that little star thing is. That right there means basically down here, blah blah blah, 2 braces out of each 10 foot piece. So we'll only get 1 if it's only 8 foot whatever. So we'll use some of that probably to make some of our brace material. All right, hope that makes sense to you guys. Just a little bit too wide right here. Take some bark off. Don't try this at home. You might slip and hurt yourself. It's only to be tried by professionals. I'm not a professional. Or am I? I think we only got one more cut to do to get this about 16 wide, or a little over. You could use a draw knife to take the bark off. I'm too lazy to go grab mine. Sorry about that. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to resort to plan B, the Log Arts trailer. First I gotta change out the battery on the camera. Alright, are you ready for this? She's gonna kind of go boom. Just like that. Anyways, guys, that's all I'm going to be doing for right now. I'm done with this right here. We've got this many 4x5s here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 of them, and we'll get another 8 out of that right there. Of course, some of them's going to have some weighing on them. We'll use them for something around here, probably kind of like these right here. The bunks that we have those beams right there sitting on, we might use them for that. Yep, so I think that's going to be it for today, guys. If you would, smash that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.